Hi, I'm Shweta from Xplorabox. Let's see what exciting activities we've lined up for your child in this month's box. This month's theme is number fun. There are 5 amazing activities in the box: magnetic shapes builder, time the clock, Candyland, circus hoops, and coloring circus puzzle. The first activity is magnetic shapes builder. In this fun activity, your child will use their imagination and create over 100 objects on a magnetic board using the shapes given. This activity will improve their fine motor skills, analytical skills, and play and social skills. The second activity is time the clock. In this fun multi-activity, your child will first assemble a beautiful clock, then match the correct time puzzles. They will also write the correct time as per the image cards given. They will learn to understand the concept of reading time with this activity and will improve their motor, academic, and observation skills. Third activity is Candyland. In this activity, your child will open their Candyland shop and will play an interesting adding and counting game. This activity will improve their fine motor skills, numerical skills, observation skills, and social developmental skills. Fourth activity is Circus Hoops. In this fun activity, your child assembles different hoops, score points by throwing the ball in the hoops, and will try to be the first one to complete the scoring sheet. This activity will improve their fine motor skills and play and social skills. Fifth activity is coloring circus puzzle. In this fun activity, your child will first complete a big circus puzzle, then they will bring it to life using colors. This activity will improve their motor skills, analytical skills, and logical and problem-solving skills. You will also receive 20 downloadable worksheets via mail every month. If you have not taken your Xplorabox subscription, then take it now and give your child a gift of fun and learning that will make them smarter and sharper.